So in this Wolf video, I'll be talking about how to add a manual result. So a manual result could be something that comes in, for example, you receive a result that was done by a walk-in doctor and it was sent to your clinic. Or possibly it was something that you have pulled off of Netcare and you have it scanned into your documents, but you want to have it come up under your investigations as well. So starting in a patient chart here, where you would do is you go straight to investigations, and you see manual results are down here, right? Just right click on your right click menu, you're going to see new manual result, and you'll select that. So I'll give you two examples here. There's one already selected here, which is under hematology, and each area has quite a list of ones that you can enter. Okay, so under hematology, if we selected INR, for example, we could put in an actual value. So let's say the patient's value is 1.2, and then we want to put something in here, patient aware, instructed to increase by 0.5 milligram, recheck Thursday. Okay, now you can close the door on this. It'll ask you if you want to save your changes. So we'll go ahead and do that. We're going to save our changes. Okay, and it's going to add that right to the very top of our list here. So for today's date, there was an INR added. The result was 1.2. And if you click into that, it will actually show you that the patient is aware and all those instructions that we have put in there. So I'll just close this. So let's say we want to do something a little different than this. Let's go back to new manual result, and I'll show you something that's quite neat. Under microbiology, you have a fecal immunochemical test. This one is the FIT test, which of course most people are quite familiar with. When you select that one, you could put in here something like positive. Okay, positive. The other thing you can do here is select if that is positive, an abnormal or a normal result. Okay, if I click abnormal, and then I could also put some instructions on here as well. Patient aware, book to follow up with Dr. McCaffrey. Okay, when I close the door here, and we save the changes, it's going to pop this one up here as well. But what's really great is when you selected abnormal there, it actually turns it red for you, which is an excellent visual cue to know that something here came back in the results and it wasn't normal. So that's how you would add a manual result.